Hey boys and girls, welcome to some Friday quiz prep. Okay, so these problems we're going to practice for our Friday quiz. So these are good ones to add to your study guide. So take your study guide out and let's put these in our study guide. And if you need more room in your study guide, then just use an extra sheet of paper in your notebook. That's cool. All right, so let's see how we do it. All right, write this down. Let's do the first one together. Whoop! What's the opposite of adding 10? Because I'm solving for x. Yeah, subtract 10. Subtract 10. But I'm just going to write it over here because that's going to help me do it a little better. Because I need to add the opposite. Keep this one, add the opposite right there. So 10 minus 10 is 0. So that goes away. Because 0 plus anything is x over 2. So 0 plus x over 2 is x over 2. 4 plus negative 10. What's that? Yeah, negative 6. Good work. Okay, so what's the opposite of division? That would be, yeah, multiplication. There you go. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times x is just x. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. A negative times a positive is a negative. There we go. Check it. Negative 12 over 2 plus 10 equals 4. Is that true? Negative 12, half of 12, or half of negative 12 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 10, if I owe $6, I get 10. That means I have 4 remaining. Yeah, that works. So the answer is negative 12. Cool. All right, let's try this one, number 2. Try it on your own. Pause the video. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see. So, whoop, subtract 15 on both sides. Oh, yeah. So 5y equals 20 minus 15, which is 5. 5 times what is 5? That would be, yeah, 1. 5 times 1 is 5. There we go. Got it. Nice work. Whoop. All right, here's one with the division. Writing this in our study guides, remember, or on a separate sheet of paper to go with our study guide to show Mr. Irish and be impressive, right? Look at all these problems I did on my study guide. I'm ready for that quiz. So, what are you going to do? Go ahead and solve it. Go. All right, see if you got it. Opposite of adding 1, subtracting 1 on both sides. So I have, this is 0, so x divided by 2 equals 7 minus 1, which is 6. Opposite of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2. There you go. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times x is x. 6 times 2 is 12. Without the negatives, there you go. 12. Hopefully you got 12. Put a check if you got it nice. All right, one more like this. You'll be ready for that Friday quiz. 6m, 6 times the number minus 8 is 16. Go ahead and solve it. Ready, set, go. On your own. All right, let's see what we got. So add 8 to both sides. 6m equals 16 plus 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Bump the 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2, 24. Opposite of multiplication, division. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times m is m. 24 divided by 6. 6 times what is 24? Yeah, 4. Got it. Got it. Let's check it. 6 times 4 minus 8 equals 16. 6 times 4 is 24 minus 8 equals 16. 24 minus 8, 16 equals 16. Got it. There we go. Cool. All right. So now, what else do we have to practice? Oh, yeah. Combining like terms. Uh-oh. So here's a couple ones we're going to do. Let's start with this. 2x plus x minus 4y equals. Write this down in your notebook. All right, here we go. 2x plus, oh, there's no number here. There's a hidden number. It's just 1. Because 1 times anything is itself. So you don't really need to put 1. But it's implied that it's there. So it looks like the x's are combined and this y is all by itself. Notice how I differentiate what I'm doing? So 2x plus 1x is 3x minus 4y. The 4y, the y's got nothing to get with, and so it's just chilling right there. 2x plus 1x is 3x. Done. There we go. That's the and swap. Ooh, look at this one. It's got x's and y's. Go ahead and give this one a shot. 2y plus 14x minus 7x plus 9y. Give it a shot on your own. Ready, set, go. All right, what do I see? I see 14x and I see negative 7x. Then I see 2y and 9y. Make sure I have different boxes or underlines depending on the like terms. So these are like terms and these are like terms. Okay. So 14 minus 7, I can do that. 14 minus 7 is 7x. And then 2y plus 9. So that's going to be 11y. Generally, you're going to have the x first and the y because that's the way it is in the alphabet. But if you have it reversed, that's okay too. Nice job. Ooh, number 3 with the q's and the constants. Ready, set, copy it down, try it on your own. Go. All right, let's try it. 10q and 3q and the 20 minus the 4. Those look to be constants. Let's start. 10q plus 3q is 13q. 20 minus 4 is, oh, I don't know why I put an equal sign, is 16. 3q plus 16, got it. All right, last one. See if you're truly ready for that Friday quiz. Y plus x plus y plus x. Combine the like terms, what do you get? Ready, set, go. All right, here we go. 1y and 1y. 1x and 1x, okay. So I got 1x plus 1x is 2x. 1y and 1y is 2y's. 2 x's and 2 y's. That's what I got? Yeah. Hopefully you got that. Now go on to your Khan Academy and knock it out. Good job, ladies and germs.